Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. Hope you can see me good. I have a tink head. This is my second kit. My first kit is on eBay, and I'm starting the second kit for me. And I have a boo-boo. I made it. Her eye sockets are so small that the eyes, these are the eyes I use. I don't want to go out of focus. I use glass eyes, big round glass eyes, and getting them in is a tough thing on this kit. So I'm cutting away on the inside. I should have did it from the outside and cut the top, but I started at the bottom thinking, all right, the first one I did at the top and the eyes were hard to get in. Let's cut from the bottom. But I went inside and cut, and I got the eyes in and they weren't sitting right. And I'm like, damn it, this is a pain in the butt. So I tried again, and I ended up cutting right through her eye socket, right here on the outside. So what do? I tried to heat it in the oven, the New Wave oven, thinking it'll go back together, but it didn't, because sometimes the vinyl will seal itself. Didn't. So, man, what do I do? Now, it's put back together. It's rough. I used E6000 glue, and I put it on my little stick. I smeared some glue on the stick, and then I smeared it over the repair area. And so far, it's been over 24 hours, and it's holding, but I'm going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave it alone and not mess with it until Monday. So hopefully this glue is set and it won't come off. Then I'm going to lightly sand it. I'll use my Dremel tool on very low and lightly sand away the rough spots, because if you do too much, it'll take the glue off. Or, well, I tried to do that earlier and it took the glue off. Maybe it wasn't set or, finished. Be careful with the Dremel tool if you ever use it on vinyl, because you could make more boo-boos. I scratched her nose a little bit and by her lip, but this is my baby. I'm keeping this one. The other baby, like I said, is up for adoption. If you want her, go to eBay or go to Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery to see Tink. She's got a starting bid of $399.99 and a buy it now of $599.99. Anyway, this one's mine, but I may have my dealer that I buy all my kits from be able to get me another head. I don't know why it's so hard to open these eye sockets, but I think all kits should come with opened flaps inside, so we don't have to cut them. They should come opened or no eye flap on it, so we could just slip the eye in and be done. Yeah, so this kept me up Wednesday night till 3 o'clock in the morning thinking, what do I do? How am I going to fix it? The first tink, getting those eyes in was hard, but they're in. And like I said, she's adorable. She's sleeping right now. If you want her, PM me. Send me a message. Send me a message here. I'm always checking because my husband says I'm addicted. Addicted to social media. But that's okay. So this is Tink. Her eye is damaged, but repaired. So we'll see what happens when I go and put the eyes in. I'm going to push. I'm pushing. You got to push the eye in. Hopefully it'll be okay. Then I can sand down the areas gently and she'll be good to go for me. I will not sell a boo-boo baby. She's my boo-boo. And that's it. My husband's nickname was Boo-Boo since he was a little boy. So I'm going to say have a lovely weekend, folks. Make sure you subscribe to the page, to the channel. Join my page on Facebook. I have 2 nursery pages, Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery, and then Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery 2. And then I have groups. You'll see my name, Rosanna's Silicone, Reborn. I have like 4 groups of Reborn groups. So, there. So, what am I doing here today? Watching the snow fall again. It's March 9th? I don't know. I can't take it anymore. See ya, whatever. Out. Enjoy. If you have any questions, leave me a comment.